with a BMW X5 2007 model E70. I've already removed the shroud over here. Now this car has a damaged crankshaft pulley or crankshaft dampener, whichever you want to call it. I've already removed the shroud of the fan here. Now I just want to show you down there, right over there, where my finger is. That's where the fan goes onto the water pump over there. And you need two 32mm spanners to loosen that. And also remember that this is not lefty loosey, righty tighty. It's the other way around. You turn clockwise to loosen it. That's because when the pump turns, it automatically tightens it. It's not on very tight, but you need two 32mm, and then I just kind of spin it that way until it comes loose, and then you can access down there, you can access the crankshaft pulley, which I'll get to. Now we can see the crankshaft pulley down here. What happened was it has an inner steel ring, then a rubber inside, and then two pulleys on the outside, one going to the air conditioner unit and the other one going to the power steering and the alternator. And that one also turns the water pump over here. So what happens is the engine turns on the inside, it keeps on turning, and the rubber just spews out here, and you smell rubber, and the air conditioner goes off, and the power steering disappears, and the alternator light comes on not charging. So I'm going to try and get a shot of it over there. You can just see the rubber on the inside. So I'm going to loosen those four reversed torque screws. I think they're E20, and get the belt off and replace that pulley. To loosen the pulley belt on this BMW X5 E70, you need a 24mm socket, and on that tensioner over there, you're going to put the M24 on there. Go, and then you're going to press down quite hard. It's spring loaded, and then you can pop off. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. No, I can't. Then you're going to, once it's loosened, you can pop off that timing belt. Well, not timing belt, that V belt there. Here we can see the new pulley on the left and the old one, very cracked and broken, on the right, which will be going back in there. I've had to remove everything from the front, but it turns out to be good, because now I can clean all the radiators and evacuate the air conditioning system and recharge. Here we have the BMW X5 2007 3-litre diesel with the new pulley installed with the E20, let me just get some light in there, with the E20 reversed Torx bolts. Initially you tighten them to 40 Newton meters, and then 120 degrees tighter, or what I prefer to do in stages, tighten them 10 up until 80 Newton meters. All the serpentine belts are returned, and now we're going to clean the radiators and put them back together so this car can return to service today. Thanks for joining.